ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदिया कान्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 491। अकॉर्डिंग टू पूर्व पक्ष, यदैवं स्थितः शास्त्रार्थः तदा परमात्मनः संसारित्वं, परमात्मा विल बिकम संसारी। टीका, so Paramatma becoming sansari is anishta, so therefore this is not right thinking. See in टीका second line, संसारिणो अनन्यस्यापि परस्य असंसारित्वे संसारित्व अभिमतो अपि असंसारी इति उपदेशानर्थक्यम् तम विनैव मुक्ति सिद्धा सिद्धेः इति दोषांतरमाह। If Paramatma is samsari, then that shastra which talks about Paramatma as asamsari is of no use. Not only that, Jiva is samsari, Paramatma is also samsari. Jiva Brahma Aikya, no matter how many times you tell, he is not going to get liberated. And samsarino ananyasyapi parasya. To think of it this way, this is Jiva, samsari. This is Paramatma, asamsari. Jivasya parasya, Paramatma is samsarinaha ananya. Paramatma is not different from samsari, which is what he said. Paramatma is samsari now. Paramatma is one with Jiva. So, parasya ananyasya, na anya iti ananya, na anyasya ananyasya samsarinaha. Asamsaritve api samsaritva abhimataha. Even though Paramatma is asansari, he is understood as samsari. Asamsaritve api samsaritva abhimataha. Api, then asansari iti upadesha anarthakyam. Then Paramatma is asansari, this upadesha will become anartha. And tam vinaiva mukti siddhe, that which is asansari is understood erroneously as samsari. So, asansari iti upadesha is of no use. This is the dosha. What it means, see in Bhashya. This is in the second line itself. Asamsaritve cha upadesha anarthakyam spashto doshaha prapta. If Paramatma is understood as samsari, then Shastra anarthakyam. If Paramatma is asansari, but I go on thinking it is samsari, then asamsaritve cha upadesha anarthakyam. Why? Because after it is taught as asamsari, you are still going to think it is sansari only. Right? When you have accepted that Paramatma is sansari, no matter how many times. It is like for Jivatma. If somebody thinks I am Sansari and Upanishad says, no, you are Brahma, Asansari, Aparichinna, I will go on thinking I am Parichinna only. Why? Because I don't have Mahatva Buddhi, Pramana Buddhi in Shastra there. Tatra Adyam Dosham Vivranoti. Yadi Tavat Paramatma Sarvabhutantaratma. Now first dosha he elaborates. If Paramatma is Sarva Bhutantaratma, so then what will happen? Sarva Sharira Samparka Janita Dukkhani Anubhavati. Paramatma will, earlier he had only his problems. Now he has everybody's problems. So this is what happens when proper Brahma Jnanam is not there. Huh? So earlier Paramatma was one. Now he is Sarva Bhutantaratma. So he has Sarva Sharira Samparka Janita Dukkha. He will have Anubhava. Spashtam Parasya Samsaritvam Praptam. Paramatma is definitely Sansari. I don't want to become that Paramatma. तथा च परस्य संसारित्व प्रतिपादिकाः श्रुतयः कुप्येरन्. Sorry, तथा च परस्य असंसारित्व प्रतिपादकाः श्रुतयः कुप्येरन्. Then all those shrutis and smritis which go on saying Paramatma is asamsari, they will have kopa. Mean they will be unhappy. What is this person saying? I am saying totally different. See the tika. न लिप्यते लोक दुःखेन बाह्यः इत्याद्याः श्रुतयः. What is the mantra?
Suryayata loke.
सूर्यो यथा सर्वलोकस्य चक्षुः चक्षुर्न लिप्यते चाक्षुषैर्बाह्य दोषैः. That इत्याद्याः श्रुतयः. यस्य नाहंकृतो भावो बुद्धिर यस्य न लिप्यते. Then न निबध्यते. अत्वापि स इमान लोकान न हंति न निबध्यते. So even if this Shruti shows he is asansari, no matter what. This Smriti, Gita. And you want to show he is samsari. This Shruti is actually not for Paramatma. I mean, this Smriti, Gita shloka is Yasya naham krato bhavo, buddhir yasya na lipyate, is for Mukta Purusha. So this is not for Paramatma, but Mukta Purusha is also as much asamsari as Paramatma. With that in mind, this is quoted. Asamsaritva is samanam. And Kutastha asangatvadayo nyayaha. All the other yuktis are there. Kutasthatvam, asangatvam, etc. Dvitiyam dosham prasangam apadya prakatayati. And Dvitiya dosha, see in Bhashya, अथ कथंचित प्राणी शरीर संबंधजैर दुःखैर न संबध्यते इति शक्यं प्रतिपादयितुं परमात्मनः अथ कथंचित प्राणी शरीर संबंधजैः दुःखैः न संबध्यते. If you show that Paramatma is not associated with any dukkha of any prani sharira, Kathanchit means somehow. Somehow if you prove prani sharira sambandhajaihi dukkaihi paramatma na sambadhyate iti shakyam pratipadayitum paramatmanah. 8 number tippani. Kathanchit means how? Asangatvadi shruti vashena. Because he is asanga, how will you show this an association? प्राणी शरीर और प्राण शरीर पाठांतर ಇದೆ. प्राणी शरीर प्राण शरीर. देन साध्य परिहार्य अभावात उपदेश अनर्थक्य दोषो न शक्यते निवारयितुम्. साध्य परिहार्य अभावात. So you have to read Anvay, you have to do this way. उपदेश साध्य उपदेश परिहार्य अभावात. उपदेश शब्द is there. साध्य परिहार्य अभावात उपदेश अनर्थक्यम. उपदेशेन यत् साध्यम उपदेशेन यत् परिहार्यम, both above will be there. साध्य परिहार्य अभावात उपदेश अनर्थक्य दोषो निवारयितुं न शक्यते. If Paramatma is asamsari, then there is no sadhya, there is no pariharya. If you consider that second line in Tika on the same page, samsarino ananyasyapi parasya asansaritve sansaritva abhimato api asansari iti upadesha anarthakyam. In this, if you take samsari as jiva, even though the prakaranam is of Paramatma only, Paramatmanaha samsaritva, because in Bhashya that is how it is given. But if you take it as for jiva also, then Paramatma, who is not different from Jivatma, samsarinaha ananyasya parasya, and that para is asamsari, asansaritve api sansaritva abhimataha, then that Paramatma is understood as samsari, api asamsari iti upadesha anarthakyam. Then asamsari upadesh will have no purpose. दोषद्वये स्वयूथ्य समाधिम उत्थापयति. In both these doshas, doshadvaye, swayuthya samadhim. Samadhim means samadhanam. Yuthya means swayuthya. Yesterday in Upadesh Sahasri this came. Swayuthya means swapaksha. These people are swapaksha people. Swayuthya samadhim utthapayati. Utthapayati, what is the sutra? Online, what is the sutra?
उदहस्थास्तंभो धातोः पूर्वस्य.
उत्थापयति. अत्र केचित् परिहारम् आचक्षते. केचित् परिहारम् आचक्षते. आचक्षते इज एक वचनम और बहुवचनम. And what is बहुवचनम? Online, is this एक वचनम और बहुवचनम? केचित् परिहारम् आचक्षते.
बहुवचनं स्वामी.
This बहुवचन.
एकवचन.
बहुवचन. चष्टे चक्षाते चक्षते. चष्टे is एक वचन. Paramatma na sakshat bhuteshu anupravishtaha svena rupena. Now this is some parivahara you have to do. Why Paramatma was thought of as samsari? No, why Paramatma was sarva bhutantaratma?
तत्सृष्ट्वा तदेवानुप्राविश्य
Because tat srishtva tadevanu pravishat. That Paramatma has entered. Paramatma, because as Paramatma it has entered, therefore that Paramatma will be dukhi now, samsari. So now he says, okay, let us say Paramatma has not entered as Paramatma. Paramatma na sakshat bhuteshu anupravishtaha svena rupena. Some anya rupena pravishtaha. Workaround is there. कथं तर्हि तस्य कार्य प्रविष्टस्य जीवत्वं तत्र. Then how in this sharira कार्य प्रविष्टस्य जीवत्वं, how that Paramatma suddenly became जीवात्मा after entry? किं तर्हि विकार भावम आपन्नो विज्ञानात्मत्वं प्रतिपेदे. किं तर्हि विकार भावम आपन्नः विज्ञानात्, he attained विज्ञानात्मत्वं means जीवात्मत्वं. How? By undergoing some vikara. प्रतिपेदे. प्रतिपेदे इति तथा च ईश्वर विकार एव जीव इति भावः. ईश्वर विकार itself is जीव. जीवस्य विकार ब्रह्म विकारत्वे अपि. Where did we negate this? In Brahadaranyaka itself earlier this came, right? That Mandukya Karika we saw, Advaita Prakarana, Jiva is not Vikara or Avayava. In this, again that similar topic has come. Mayat Pratyaya Prakarana. Vijnanat, Vijnanamaya in that. Anyway, so but we saw in Brahadaranyaka itself. Vijnanatmatvam pratipede, vikara bhavam. So Tika says, Jivasya Brahma vikaratvepi. Okay, let's say Jiva is Brahma. Means how we should think whenever Jiva is Brahma vikara, some Brahma, some Jiva, this person is vikara. I think I am not pure conscious. Brahma means pure consciousness, pure existence. I am vikara of that consciousness existence. Means I am something else now. This is my thinking. This is that paksha. So if I think I am some modification of Chaitanya, some modification of existence, Jivasya Brahma vikaratve api, tato bhede, then I will have bheda with Brahma because now I am undergone modification. Na aham Brahma iti dhihi. Aham Brahmasmi buddhi will never come. Why? I am different now. I have accepted it. Na aham Brahma iti dhihi. Abhede Brahmano api samsarita. And if it is abheda, then Jiva is vikara of Brahma. And Jiva is abhinna with Brahma. Therefore, Brahma is also samsari. इति आशंकाः सच विज्ञानात्मा परस्माद् अन्यो ananyascha. Now he is this Kechit people, they want to show some parihara, right? They want to give some samadhanam. So what they are saying, let's come out with some different solution. Jiva is different from Paramatma, Jiva is non-different from Paramatma. Sacha Vijnanatma Parasmad Anyo Ananyascha. Jiva is different from Paramatma, Jiva is not different from Paramatma. Okay. How? Yena Anyaha Tena Sansaritva Sambandhi. Yena Ananyas Tena Aham Brahma iti avadharanarha. There where Jivatma is different from Paramatma, that Jivatma will have Samsaritva Sambandha. And there where he is not different from Paramatma, that Jivatma can say, I am Brahma, Aham Brahmasmi. The thing is, how will you decide where it is Anya and where it is Ananya? How you will distinguish this? That you will not have. And he says, Evam Sarvam Aviruddham Bhavish. I have solution. We can work this out. How? Tika. Evam iti bhinna bhinnatva paramarsha. This is bheda bhedavada. Sarvam iti upadeshadi nirdesha. Sarvam means all upadeshas will fit in. Shastra anarthakyam, you said. No, Shastra will work for those who think I am different. Or the same Jiva, when he has this idea, I am different, Shastra is there. When that Jiva thinks I am asamsari, Aham Brahmasmi will work. So both will work. What is the problem? If I feel I am different from Brahma, how will I become Brahma then? If I am Vikara of Brahma, there is no way to recover Brahma out of that Vikari Brahma. You will never be able to extract it out. Once you accept Vikara, out. Aham Brahmasmi will never apply. Siddhanti, Ekadeshi matam nirakartum vikalpayati. Now that Ekadeshi mata nirakaranam. So this is Ekadeshi. Swayuthya means he is Ekadeshi. He is not full Siddhanti. Vikalpayati. Now Siddhanti will give Vikalpa. How Vikalpa? He will ask, where is this Vikara? Tell me. And what kind of Vikara is this? You are saying Jiva is Vikara of Brahma. Where did it happen? In Ekadesha of Brahma or Sarvadesha of Brahma? So some philosophies, they sound beautiful. But if you question, if you inquire, like in Nyaya many times, this in particular in Mandukya, these questions will be asked. You say Sambandha. Sambandha will be in Ekadesha only. Sanyoga Sambandha, if you say, it is only between two things, so that you say one Parmanu, another Parmanu comes together. Where is the Sambandha? So like that, when the questioning comes, then there will be flaws. Tatra Vijnanatmano Vikara Pakshe Eta Gataya. If you accept Vijnanatma as Vikara Pakshe Etaha Gataya, these all different Vikalpas are there. Tika. Eta Gataya iti ete pakshaha vakshamanaha sambhavanti na gatyantaram ityartha. Only these pakshas are possible. Ete pakshaha vakshamanaha sambhavanti na gatyantaram. There is no other option. Means he says, if you accept Jiva as Vikara of Brahma, we will shortlist some options. Let's say 3. It will be only this. You cannot have 4th. First you understand. Then within 3, we'll say it is neither this, nor this, nor this. Therefore, the whole idea is not possible. Yatha Prithvi Shabditam Dravyam Aneka Avayava Samudaya Tatha Bhuta Bhautikatmaka Aneka Dravya समुदायः सावयवः. Let's see this much वाक्य. पृथ्वी शब्दितम द्रव्य, पृथ्वी is द्रव्य. दृष्टांत will come from न्याय. पृथ्वी शब्दितम द्रव्यम, and द्रव्य has, it is अनेक अवयव समुदायः. So many parts are there, अवयव, अनेक अवयव समुदाय. तथा भूत भौतिक आत्मक अनेक द्रव्य समुदायः सावयवः परमात्मा. In the same way, Paramatma has Bhuta Bhautika Samudaya. He is also having assembly of parts. Or you say Chid Achid Vilakshanaha Paramatma. Chaitanya is, Chid Achid Vishishta, not Vilakshana. Chid Achid Vishishta Paramatma. And he is Savayava. And so many Avayavas. Tasya Ekadeshaha Chaitanya Lakshana. In one desha, because so much Jagat is there. Means what this person is trying to say, Paramatma has Jiva also as part of it. Jagat also as part of it. Jagat is Jada. So that part you have to leave as is. Vikara has to happen in Chaitanya part. In Chaitanya part, you have to keep two portions. One which is not undergoing Vikara, which is Ishvara part. How you will explain? The essential part of the Ishvara. The other part is where the Vikaras will happen. That is Jiva. So, tasya ekadeshaha Chaitanya Lakshanaha tad Vikaro Jivaha. Its Vikara is Jivaha. Like Prithvi ekadesha Mrit Vikara Ghata Sharavadivat iti ekaha kalpaha. This is first Vikalpa. Kalpaha means Vikalpa. That how in Prithvi the Mrit Vikara is Ghata. So Prithvi is so big. Only one part is Mrit. Right? That makes Ghata. That is Mrit Vikara. So this Paramatma, Chaitanya, in that some Vikara. This is one Jiva, then another Jiva. So then Yatha Sudiptat Pavakas Visfulingaha Sahasa Sudit. All the Jivas will emanate from this part. The other part will be same. From there, Akasha, Agni, Akasha, Vayu, Agni, they will come. From here, Jivas will come. This is Eka Vikalpa. Yatha Bhumehe Usharadi Desho Nakha Keshadi Va Purushasya Vikaraha तथा अवयविनः परस्य एकदेश विकारो जीव इति द्वितीयः कल्पः. और सेकंड विकल्प इज भूमेः उशरादि देश means a desert land. In land there is something which is desert kind. In other words, there nothing comes up. Like that, in Paramatma, there is some part where this vikara will happen. Like how in our Sharira, Nakha Keshadihi. So the drishtantas are given where there is no direct effect on the body, even if it is undergoing vikara. Like Nakha or Kesha. Nakha Keshadihi. Purushasya vikara. Tatha, in the same way, avayavinaha parasya ekadesha vikaro jivaha. Iti dvitiyaha kalpaha. Avayavi Paramatma parasya ekadesha vikara is jiva. This is dvitiya vikalpa. In prathama and dvitiya, some difference is there. When we see the bhasha, it will become clearer. Tritiya vikalpa is yatha kshiram swarnam va sarvatmana dadi ruchakadi rupena parinamate तथा कृष्ण एव परो जीव भावेन परिणमेत इति कल्पांतरम. Entire milk, if you put something, whole thing will become yogurt. Not that one part will have vikara, it will remain it will become dadi and the rest will be milk. It is not going to happen. Or swarna means suvarna, whole thing you make it into abhushana. Like that, whole Paramatma becomes Jiva. Jiva bhavena pariname. Iti kalpantaram means tritiya kalpa. Tatra adyam anudya dushayati. So between the Prathama Vikalpa and Dvitiya Vikalpa, how do you understand? First is Ekadeshasya Vikarah. Shashti Tatpurusha. You take Samasa Ekadeshasya Vikarah. And second one is Ekadesha Eva Vikarah. Which Samasa? Karmadhara. Ekadesha itself is Vikara. Means then it doesn't have to undergo something else like that. Bhashya. So we have to read from that Ekadesha Viparinamo. First line. Ekadesha Viparinamo Vijnanatma Ghatadivat Purva Samsthana Avasthasya Va Parasya Ekadesho Vikriyate Kesho Sharadivat Sarva Eva Va Paraha Parinamet Kshiradivat. Ekadesha Viparinamo Vijnanatmana Ghatadivat. Ekadesha Viparinama in the form of Jivatma, Vijnanatma. Ghatadivat Purva Samsthana Avasthasya अथवा परस्य एकदेशो विक्रियते केशो शरादिवत सेकंड अथवा सर्व एव वा परः परिणमेत् क्षीरादिवत सर्व एव परः क्षीरादिवत परिणमेत्. सो घटादिवत पूर्व संस्थान अवस्थस्य. If you read Bhashya, Paramatmanah Ekadesha Viparinamo, and second says Parasya Ekadesho Vikriyate. Ekadesha Viparinamah, Ekadesha Vikriyate, distinction is not clear there. But in Tika, Paramatma whose Ekadesha, that Ekadesha has Vikara. So Ekadeshasya Vikara is first Vikalpa. And second is Ekadesha is Vikara. You see, Bhumehe Usharadi Desho Vikara. Right? So that is the difference. तत्र समान जातीय अनेक द्रव्य समूहस्य कश्चित् द्रव्य विशेषो विज्ञानात्मत्वं प्रतिपद्यते यदा तदा च समान जातीयत्वाद् एकत्वम् उपचरितम् एव न तु परमार्थतः. समान जातीय अनेक द्रव्य समूह इज परमात्मा. In that Kaschit Dravya Vishesho Vijnanatmatvam Pratipatyate. Some part of that becomes Jivatma. Yada, if that is the case, Tadacha Samana Jatiyatvat Ekatvam Upacharitam Eva Natu Paramarthata. If everything is Samana Jatiya, everything is Paramatma, then this one part of Paramatma, even if it undergoes Vikara, it is not Paramarthik Vikara. Why? Samana Jatiyatvat. or actually it is different. The way it is given here is that whole thing is one, that itself is upachara. It is gauna prayoga. Why? Because there Jada is also there, Chaitanya is also there, and you say everything is one jatiya. How it is one jatiya? There is bheda in that. See टीका. नाना द्रव्याणाम समाहारो वा तानि वा अन्योन्य अपेक्षाणि परः चेत् न तस्य ऐक्यं स्यात् नहि बहूनां मुख्यम ऐक्यम. So this much let us understand. Nana Dravyanam Samahar. If I have ghata and potter together, and I say this is one entity, but it has avayavas, and those avayavas are different from each other. Nana Dravyanam Samahara, Samuha. Each avayava expects another avayava to show itself as distinct from others. Like our body, eyes expect that other than two eyes, there is no other avayava is called eyes. Then only it will have distinct existence in this body. Hands will say, other than me, us, two hands, no other hands will be there. Then only they are different from other. So then you are calling it as one entity. Actually, that aikyam is not there only. Nana dravyanam samaharo va in tika. Nana dravyanam samaharo va. Tani va anyonya apekshani. They expect each other. Anyonya. Paraschet, parahachet, na tasya aikyam syat. Then whole thing is not one entity only. Why? Nahi bahunam mukhyam aikyam. Where many things are there, primarily it cannot be called one. That aikyam will be gauna only. Like our body, so many parts are there. I say I am one. Or you take another example, you take car. What is car? Assembly of parts. Whatever is assembly of things is actually not one. Why? Because you can start removing parts. So like that, if Paramatma is assembly of parts, that Paramatma is not one. It is just collection of many. That's all. Samaharasya cha samudaya aparyayasya. Aparaparyayasya. That samahara is nothing but samudaya. Samudaya aparaparyayasya samudayibhyo bheda bhedabhyam durbhanatvena kalpitatvat. Samaharasya samudayibhyah bheda bhedabhyam durbhanatva. This collection with the parts, those parts, you will have to say, are those parts one with Paramatma or different from Paramatma? So you will have to say both. Are my hands me? No. But wherever I go, hands will come. Nobody says you come but don't bring your hands, don't bring your legs. Or nobody has to exclusively say you bring hands also, legs also. It is understood. There is abheda. Bheda bhedabhyam durbhanatvam. Durbhanatvam, 10 number. Durnirupyatvena. भेदेन निरूपणम अपि न शक्यते, अभेदेन निरूपणम अपि न शक्यते. तथा ही इन टिप्पणी 10 न तावत् समुदायः समुदायेभ्यो भिन्नः. समुदाय is not different from samudayi. Samudayi means I. Samudaya means hands, legs, all of them. Why? Tad vyatirekena tat swarupa anupalambhat. In the absence of all these parts, I don't have existence. Like car has no existence in the absence of parts. न अपि अभिन्नः. प्रत्येकस्मिन् समुदायिनी समुदाय व्यवहारापत्तिः. And it is not one, because samudaya is different. Samudayi is different. मिथः समुदायिनाम् अभेदापत्तेश्च तद अभिन्ना भिन्नस्य तद अभिन्नत्व नियमात्. तद अभिन्न अभिन्नस्य तद भिन्नत्व. If घट is there, घट भिन्न पट, और तद अभिन्न अभिन्न अभिन्नस्य. Actually, it should be tad bhinna bhinnattvasya tad abhinnatva. Tad bhinna, ghata bhinna pata, pata bhinna anya ghata, that ghata and this ghata can be one. That is what it says. I will see that tippani and let you know. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.